Hi, everyone. Dr. Justin Golston here. And in this lecture, we're going to go through visualizations in FinTech. And today we're going to go through Arkham Intelligence. Arkham Intelligence is a on-chain visualization tool that will actually visualize data in real time. And in today's lecture is going to be very interesting in that we're going to use Arkham Intelligence to find the wallet for President or President-elect, whenever you're watching this video, Donald Trump. So I'm going to go in here, Arkham Intel. So you say intel.arkham.com. You can also Google it, but the link's going to be in the course. So if I type in Donald Trump, I'm going to get a visualization of Donald Trump's wallet. And you can see that in this one wallet now, and the one thing that's very important is within FinTech, the majority of the people have more than one wallet. So this is the wallet that President Trump and his people want us to see. So we don't know how many wallets President Trump has, right? So in this one wallet, we have $4.8 million. Okay. Now here's where Arkham Intelligence is very, 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 very powerful. Okay. Now normally you would only get all of the assets for one chain, right? Normally you would have one website for Ethereum, one website for Solana, one website for Polygon. With Arkham Intelligence, it aggregates everything on the one screen, right? So I can go to Donald Trump, I can go holdings by chain, and then you can see how many assets he has per chain. So as you can see, he has 3.2 million on Ethereum, 1.9 on Polygon, $100,000 on Base, $100,000 on Binance. So you could essentially drill down into each one. It says, let's just say, oh man, 3.2 million in Ethereum. Let's drill down. So then you'll be able to drill down and see what assets make up that total, right? That's just one of the most powerful tools on Arkham. A year ago, this didn't exist. There was not a tool in FinTech where it would provide an aggregate across all chains, and Arkham Intelligence actually executed that. Now, also on one screen, you'll be able to see all the transfers that happen on that particular chain. You'll be able to see all the inflows and outflows on this chain. But you're really not going to really understand it until you actually navigate. I mean, I could lecture on this for an hour, and we're really not going to understand the power of this until you actually go into here and actually understand the visualizations. Okay. Also down here, you can see all of the deposits and the withdrawals within the last 48 days. If I go here, let me start over. Let me see here. Let me start over and see if I can get the total aggregate. Go back to Arkham. I type in Donald Trump again. Donald Trump. There we go. So on this one wallet, we see an inflow of 3 million coming from deposited in through Coinbase. Okay. Now you can see there hadn't been that many outflows. So that pretty much tells me that this wallet is used to hold assets. There's not that much trading going on by Trump and his team on this individual wallet. Okay, so you'll see other wallets where you'll see millions of dollars in outflows as well as inflows. I'm going to go through another one with Justin Sun shortly, but we're going to cover Trump first. Another powerful tool is called Visualizer. So if up here in Visualizer, I type in Donald Trump. If I can type, it's early in the morning, so I'm having trouble typing. So now this is the powerful tool where on the visualizer, you can actually see all the ins and outs, and you see the center is President Trump, right? Now you could see all the inflows. You could actually drill down into this address and actually see the transactions from that individual, right? That's where the visualizations through Arkham Intelligence is super, super, super duper powerful. Also within here, another interesting feature is that you can actually filter by date. So down here at the bottom, I could scroll to say I'm not too concerned about 2023. Okay, Trump was campaigning in 2024, for example, right? So I want to say, okay, what's all the transactions or all the things that hit this Trump wallet in 2024, right? And you can see the volume is still kind of large. So there's still been a lot of activity, even when Trump was going vying for the presidency. There's still a lot of activity, on-chain activity in the fintech space that's linked to President Trump, right? So that's the visualization feature that's super duper interesting. Another feature that's interesting on Arkham Intelligence is a tracer. So if you hit more and you go to a tracer, I can type in Donald Trump again. So the tracer is more of a drill down. It's even drilled down even further than the previous screen that we were on. So you can see on here, if I do tracer and I type in Donald Trump, you can see there's 4.8 million, but you can see all the way to what we refer to as a null address. There's been 2.9 million changing hands, right? And you can click on here and then you can see where those transactions are coming from. Okay. Now, this finding is very interesting. If you don't understand this is fun because it's kind of advanced. So whenever you see in Web3, in blockchain, whenever you see something referred to as a null address, that's what we refer to as a burn address. So you're essentially burning tokens. You're essentially sending tokens to nowhere, right? So if I go to this null address, okay, I didn't have anything. Let me see here. We got back up. So yeah, so that's very interesting. So it doesn't seem like anything was sent to a null address, but you can see 2.9 million exchange and it goes back to 11 months ago. So it seems like there was activity. I'll have to drill in further to see if this was withdrawal or deposit. Seems like it's a withdrawal. $220,000 was the last activity based on what I've seen, based on a quick search on Donald Trump's wallet. So the whole point is you can visualize and you can essentially find anything on a blockchain, and that's what I'm saying. The blockchain is immutable, and that's why I feel this technology is very important from a fintech perspective, because everything can be, even the president of the United States of America, everything can be tracked and traced on the blockchain. Okay. The last thing I'm going to show, because this is an interesting wallet as well. If you typed in Justin Sun, type in Justin Sun. So Justin Sun is the founder of Tron, Tron. You can look up Tron on CoinGecko, and you can see more. But you can see in this wallet alone, once again, this is a wallet that Justin Sun wants us to see. He has other wallets. Justin Sun is a very brilliant individual, right? He's not going to have all his entire net worth in one wallet, but just in this one wallet, he has $1.8 billion, right? And everything can be tracked on chain. And so you can see, yeah, as you can see, as of the last 50 days, Justin Sun has deposited 57 million in a HTX, or 42 million in HTX, 57 million total, right? He has withdrawn a total of $1.1 million in the last 50 days. Right? Everything's on chain. Everything is aggregated on one screen. Now, similar to what we did with President Trump, I have his portfolio, but I want to see how much Justin Sun is holding by chain. Again, we said that Justin Sun is a founder of Tron. He holds $1.1 billion in Tron in this one wallet. He has Tron in other wallets. I guarantee it, right? He has 645 million on Ethereum, 1 million on Binance. So you can see that it's pulling everything in real time using artificial intelligence to provide you with a visualization of anyone's wallet, right? Justin Sun. I type here. I bet you this visualization is going to be wild. So now you see all the connections that are made. Okay. So this one, so given that I understand, Justin Sun, given that I understand the different decentralized finance protocols, I know Justin Sun owns Sun.io. That's his project. So now I want to see if there's any funding business going on. And so you can see that just this address is connected, and now you see all the tentacles that is connected to this particular wallet. So that tells me at a high level, that tells me that he's using his own exchange to move money across the blockchain. Right now, once again, we could stay on this. We could stay on this for a very long time drilling into here. I ask that you kind of take a look. I mean, you can type in. I mean, you can type in names. I highly doubt. I haven't tried this yet. Yeah, about to say. So you could try just type in names that you know that are big in crypto. Arthur Hayes. Arthur Hayes is big in crypto. Let me see how much is in his wallet. Let me see how much is in his wallet that he wants us to see. How about that? Arthur Hayes. All right, he's got 31 million in this wallet. So once again, let me go check holdings by chain. He's got 31 million. So he's got pretty much this wallet balance is in Ethereum. So I would say knowing Arthur Hayes and knowing all the chains that he deals with, Arthur Hayes uses this one wallet as his Ethereum wallet, right? So I would say that he has a wallet that he holds his Arbitrum assets. He has a wallet where he holds the base assets. He has a wallet that holds the majority of his Avalanche assets, right? So you can this website can send you. I've sat on this website for hours going down a rabbit hole trying to track things down, right? So I have a good time with this. I hope you have a good time with this. And until next time.